Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing a nice relaxing morning clean with me. I've got my smoothie on the go and I just need to do a quick pickup and then do a good clean, mainly focusing on downstairs. I'm going to be doing the kitchen and the front room and just getting it nice and cozy for the day. So I really hope that you find all the motivation to clean with me. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if you do, and let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so I wanted to start off in the kitchen today. I've got a sink full of washing up to do, which is what I want to start with. But I also need to go in and do all of the cupboards and drawers because I don't know if you can see, but it has been a few days since I've actually gone in and cleaned them all, and there are just marks and spills and all sorts all over them. So I'm going to start off by doing the washing up, wipe down all of the sides, get that all clean, and then we can go in and do the cupboards, drawers and the floor today, because look at all these crumbs that are on the floor. Like, it's really bad. So I need to just give this kitchen a bit of TLC. So I'm going to start off doing the washing up and then we can go from there.
You've got a whole religion in the palm of your hand. It's like the world turned its back on us, and now you can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep, different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep, different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. I got you buried deep in the back of my head, 'cause you got all the answers on the tip of my tongue. You got a whole religion in the palm of my hand. If you want it bad, better listen now. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep, different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep, different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. There's another side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for sure. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned? So you don't know what it means to be loyal and kind. I know that you're not blind. Tell me what is really on your mind.
So now I've got the kitchen nice and clean, I'm going to go ahead and fill the sink with some 𝙱𝚂𝚂𝚀𝚂 in the lemon sherbet scent. The smells are so good, so I'm just going to fill the sink up and then do all of the cabinets and drawers and everything, and then do the floor. But honestly, everything seems to be taking me 10 times longer today for some reason. Time is just getting away from me, so I'm going to do this as quickly as possible because it desperately needs doing, but I also need to crack on with the front room. So I'm going to finish off the cabinets and then go from there.
I see them pulling your strings, and you might be seeing things. Yeah, you know I'm real and I'm here. Who cares in a few years? You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you so am I. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you so am I. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. So am I. Knowing your body feels so tired to get out of bed. You put your heart on a letter to chase it away. Got sun and it's all because of you.
The kitchen feels so good when it's clean. I have decided to leave the floor until I've done the front room because I can just get the hoover out and do the whole downstairs in one go rather than room by room. So I'm just really pleased that I finally got everything clean and organised. Everything is just in its place and it puts me in such a good mood. So it's now time to come through into the front room and just do a quick pickup. As you can see, there's not really a lot going on in here today, so I'm just going to quickly put everything back where it belongs, do a hoover and a dust, and we should be good to go.
Just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself, I wanna hit you. Still feel the way I feel when somebody calls you mine. Are you sleeping with someone new? Someone new,
really hope you've enjoyed today's video and you found all the motivation that you came looking for. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if you did, and also consider subscribing before you leave, and I'll see you guys back here in the next one.